Hunter, let's go. Let's go for a walk. Let's get your leash. Come on, come here. Get your leash. Here are my shoes. And no, Lily. Yes. You're not going for a walk, Lily, because you bark. Tomorrow, okay? I need to run. So tomorrow you'll go with me. I know you're excited. I know. Can you sit? Sit, please. I know, sit, please. Come on. Sit. I know. You're excited. Let's sit. Sit. No? No. Oh, it's windy and cold. Let's go. Hi everyone. Oh, it's gonna be so windy. An update for me. I finished my thesis. I wrote like around 700 pages, so I was missing in action for a week because I just need to focus on my thesis, and it's like a big deal for my graduation this semester. Good evening. Hi. Good. How are you? Thank you.
Black lab?
Yeah, black lab with poodle. A little bit of poodle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he is. Like, there's nothing like curly hair though. It's just like lab.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's overweight, so I need to walk him in.
Come on.
Yeah.
Healthy. Start dog left.
Yes. Have a good day.
You too.
So Hunter here doesn't want to listen. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Let's go walk to the nature walk, okay? So yeah, like the update, I finished my thesis. I feel like I lost purpose of my life. No, just kidding. But yeah, I've been like working on that thesis for a week. So I'm just trying to finish all of my classes and do productive in the quarantine time, like walking the dogs and then cooking. Yeah, I still cannot go to John's house because John's area, like where he lives, the cases are rising up, and it's just risky for both of us. Like the regulations. Oh, okay. He's peeing. But yeah, I think the regulations is getting stricter, and it's just like we don't want to be caught or get fined or anything. So that's just an update for me. I hope you guys enjoy John's video. He's been trying to do lots of fun stuff, and I hope you guys like it. I love the dalgona coffee though. I didn't expect that to go bam on the last part, and I hope you guys can hear my voice because it's so windy outside. So I live in this neighborhood. Oh, I don't like this. It's so windy. Hunter, do you wanna go left or straight? Hunter, do you wanna go left or straight? Yeah? Where do you wanna go? Left or straight? Left it is. Places? Places? Where's your place? Good boy. You're having so much fun? Yeah? Of course you do. It's okay, it's just construction. That's the dog park. We're gonna go walk there because I'm thirsty, and I bet Hunter is thirsty as well. Do you see the dog park? Okay. We're going to the dog park. Okay, I know you're excited. Good boy. Good boy, Hunter. He's so big.
Yeah.
So pretty. Hunter, why you sit down? Hunter, we need to go home. Let's go home. Okay, good boy. Hunter, home is not that way. Hunter, I know, let's go. Hunter, let's go. Why are you sitting down? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you're looking at the dogs? Hunter. Hi everyone. So I didn't end the video yesterday because my battery died. So I just want to let you know, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy our videos. We're trying to create new projects, new videos while we're in quarantine. So I think we want to stretch what we have and just be creative and be productive during this quarantine season. So yes, stay safe. Don't forget to wash your hands and enjoy your time in isolation with your loved one. Just in case you're wondering, yes, I'm sleeping on an air mattress because I'm stuck here till I don't know when. So hello handsome. I can only touch you from the screen.
Yeah, it's so sad.
Lily, wanna go for a walk, Lily?
Lily, wanna go for a walk?
Lily, you wanna go for a walk or not, Lily? Bye, Lily. Bye, Lily.
See you next time.
Bye.
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 Love you, bye.
Bye. Love you.